The full name Gwalisile Makatini from RMT Attorneys.
Yes.
I represent Ms. Norma Mngoma.
Yes.
Okay. We received instructions, Chair, last night that Ms. Mngoma would like to withdraw her participation from the Commission. And I, this morning, addressed the letter to the Commission advising it of that to that effect.
Yes. Would you like to read that letter into the record?
Yes, Chair. Okay. To the Secretary of the Commission, as advised by the Commission on Friday, 9 April 2021, that our client, Ms. Mngoma, was scheduled to give evidence before the Commission today, the 13th April 2021. 2. This letter serves to inform the Commission that as of late yesterday, we received instructions from our client informing us of 1, her personal concerns with how various aspects regarding her proposed appearance at the Commission has been handled or allegedly mishandled by the Commission. And 2, her decision to therefore withdraw her participation in the work of the Commission. We are further instructed to inform the Commission accordingly of the above, as we hereby do.
Okay. Is there anything you are able to tell me other than what's in the letter about her decision?
There is nothing, Chair, as I've not yet even had an opportunity to consult in detail,
Yes.
other than what she discussed with me before writing this letter.
Okay, all right. Thank you.
Thank you, Chair.
Thank you. Mr. Mybeck, what do you say about this situation?
Well, we're not apprised of precisely the detail of Ms. Mngoma's complaints in relation to the Commission. Obviously, those are things that can be addressed in the course of her evidence. What we would like to place on record for present purposes, DCJ, is the letter came as something of a surprise to us because Ms. Mngoma was scheduled to give evidence remotely from Cape Town on Friday afternoon. The next thing that we learnt of was this letter, and I think precious little could have happened between Friday afternoon and Tuesday morning. But that we can deal with in time. What we propose to do is then to issue a summons so that Ms. Mngoma is compelled to come and give evidence before you. She, of course, then will be at liberty to detail whatever her concerns are.
Yes.
We understand that it's obviously difficult for you to schedule her evidence immediately as of now, but we just do point out that obviously for the purpose of the summons, the sooner we get a date, the better, because then we can issue the summons.
Yeah.
And I think it would probably be in the interest of everyone that her evidence be heard sooner than later.
Yes.
You also know, DCJ, that Mr. Mngoma himself has brought an application to, in the first instance, suppress the evidence of Ms. Mngoma. So when the matter is set down again, it may be most practical that Mr. Mngoma's application is then heard before Ms. Mngoma gives evidence.
Yes. No, that's fine. It is surprising that she made this decision. She was scheduled to give evidence on, I think, Friday. We were told, I was told, she was ready to do so via Zoom or virtually from Cape Town. And then I adjourned the hearing of her evidence to this afternoon or evening. So I wonder what is that could have happened in the meantime. But it seems to me that you are right in saying that she should be compelled to give evidence, and if she has anything to say, she will say it after the summons has been issued and when she appears in response to the summons. So I do authorize that a summons be issued against her. I will give a date to the legal team to give to insert in the summons as to when she must appear before the commission. So I guess, and then with regard to Mr. Gigaba's application, that will be set down for hearing before the commencement of Ms. Gigaba's evidence on the day that she will be required to give evidence. So let's leave it at that, and we'll take it from there.
Thank you, Chairperson.
Yeah.
May we be excused?
You are excused.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, then we can resume with Mr. Singh's evidence.
All right, that's very surprising news as per the justice there, Raymond Zondo. Norma Mngoma has decided to withdraw her participation from the state capture inquiry. They have just been informed of this. The evidence leader is saying that they should actually summons her to appear before the commission, and Justice Raymond Zondo agreeing with that. He says he will issue the summons at a later stage.